When Brit went to America, my car had problems, so I spent the last 4 weeks driving my parents' cars. I worked on my car, and since Brit came back, my car has finally been fixed.
Chat, it's true that sometimes life goes very fast and it goes at a speed where at the moment you might not realize how far you've gone. Take a moment to think about it. Like a year ago, you are like a young version of yourself, but if you see it today, you live to remember the past. Sometimes you get worried about the future, but that's just how life is designed. I'm gonna give you a Batica's vote today, which I'm going to react to, and is essentially about Batica's coming back to Australia from a holiday trip in the US. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button for this video, helps it reach a wider audience out there. Also consider subscribing, turn on post notification, and with that guys, let's head straight into the video.
Hello! Hi, how are you? Hello. Did I sleep well? I can't tell if my back is hurting from the way I slept or from the sit-ups. But I'm telling you, my stomach hurts bad. But I don't know if my back is hurting from doing all the sit-ups or like how I slept.
Straight away, man, after arriving, it's just straight up to workout. I love the work ethic. It's right to speculate if it's between working out or if it's because of sleeping. Because, well, if we talk about sleeping, obviously she's changed the settings of like maybe you are sleeping in a hotel bed and you back to default like your bed. But it's been a month since you've been sleeping on your bed. And even in real life, we face this situation where if you've gone for so long and come back to sleep, like the next morning, you actually feel either great or really awful. That might be the case. Or maybe if she's working out for the first time since she came from the holiday, and if she was not working out during the holiday, yeah, she might be experiencing anaerobic respiration to the muscles.
But when I say I felt like I was drugged, chat. When I went to sleep, I was like, I don't know. I had like I don't know. I was trying to stay up a little bit after bed, and I was like, I felt like I was drugged. That's how tired I was.
That is extreme fatigue there. What she's explaining, yeah, extreme fatigue. That might actually be a combination of working out and just coming back to Australia, like the whole trip. You reckon it's more than 15 hours, might even be 24 hours. Pretty much makes sense.
Unpacking, slow progress. That's what I'm going to say. Very, very slow progress. I cleaned all the boxes. I feel like I had to clean my spaces before I could unpack. So I got rid of all those boxes today and like got rid of all the rubbish and like did a clean downstairs. So yeah, all I've got to do now is finish unpacking my bags, do my washing, put the washing away, and then we should be good. And then at that point, I'll probably fly home to Adelaide.
Oh, you reckon, chat, sometimes when you come from holiday, that's the most stressful part, like cleaning up, because obviously you find your house kind of dusty, or you just want to have a clean setting once more, and now you have to do it from scratch. You have to clean every corner of the house. After that, you have to unpack the things you had packed in your suitcase during the holiday, and also that's another extra work, like that's double from the cleaning. Your mind is trying to tell you that you get super tired when you do that, and after doing that, that's when you feel like, yeah, I should have been home, and home is always the best. And I think she should have done that before coming to stream. That would actually be great, because you wouldn't have that back thoughts, like thoughts coming across. Should be really focused on the stream.
But I'm taking it slow because I don't have a car at the moment because it's in Adelaide. I had to walk to the shops today.
When Brit went to America, my car had problems, so I spent the last 4 weeks driving my parents' cars. I worked on my car, and since Brit came back, my car has finally been fixed.
Aw, that's amazing your car's fixed. Hell yeah, it sucks having a broken car. Oh my goodness, when mine broke, it was hell. I don't have a car here at the moment, so I walked to the shops today, did my food shopping, and then I had to carry the heavy bags back. I was like, this sucks. But we've been eating healthy today, chat.
Oh, you gotta have to look at the positives. Yeah, at least you're eating healthy. And also that guy who says that his or her car broke down when Batica's was away. I don't know if that's true. I don't know how it relates to this, but if you did fix the car, then good for you, because it sucks going to the groceries, usual places where you just go and shop, and you find that you have a lot to carry or you have a lot to bring back home, and you either have to take an Uber, or if the shopping center or the grocery is near your place, then you have to walk. It's too much to carry. That very much explains what Batika is trying to say here.
We're back on like the healthy eating. Honestly, I feel so much better. You know when all the health gurus are like, man, you feel so much better when you eat good food. They aren't lying. I feel like it takes you to a certain age of eating shit sometimes, or like going overseas and eating absolute shit for weeks. to come back and be like, oh yeah, it makes such a big difference.
Yeah, that's what we call fuck around and find out. Eat those trash food for so long, everywhere you go, eat. Then at the time when you realize that, damn man, I'm not eating healthy, like I'm not feeling well. You feel like your body is not functioning well. That's when you realize, man, I've been eating shitty food. You have to consider eating healthy, chat.
So yeah, I went and got, but salmon is so expensive. I got salmon from New Zealand. I don't know why. It seemed like it was like $24 for 2 pieces. I was like, you're lucky I'm not a big eater.
Yeah, definitely it's gonna be expensive because it's definitely imported, and imported goods have imposed duties like custom duties and taxes. Essentially, the fiscal policy is gonna make it super expensive, and we just expect that from imported goods, and that's why maybe the salmon from New Zealand was quite expensive. And well guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for sticking around. Make sure to smash a thumbs up button for this video. Like I told you before, it helps this video reach a wider audience out there. Also consider subscribing, and don't forget to check my previous uploads and the playlist. I insist on the playlist and then coming videos henceforth. Let's meet in the next upload. Peace out.